screen is damaged, I took it out of the window and you can see that there's a rip right here. So what we're gonna do is replace the screen, and you only need a couple things to do that. Screening material, so this is something you can purchase at any hardware store. And we're gonna reuse this existing gasket, okay? The rubber thing that's in there. And the last thing that you're gonna need is a tool like this. So this has one kind of flat edge here, like that, for putting the screen in. And the other edge is kind of more of a point. So one is convex and one is concave. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing is to pull the old screen out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay the new screen over top of the other one. So when you're pulling out a screen, you wanna look and see where this gasket is connected. So you're gonna wanna look, because there's one part where there's gonna be a break in the gasket, and I see it in this corner right here. So in this corner, you see there's a little part where there's no gasket. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick this part out and start pulling it out from here. So I'm actually gonna use some tweezers to get a grip on that and start pulling that out. So now that I've got it started, I'm gonna pull this all the way out, all the way around. And hopefully it doesn't break. This is a little bent here, and so that's why it broke. Then you can pull out the actual screen. So I'm going to take it from this side. Okay. So there we go. Now we can pull the whole screen out. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to reuse this gasket. You might want to put a little bit of oil on it just to make it a little bit more pliable. But what we're going to do here, and I'm just going to show you here just in this part, in this corner here, is we're going to start right here, and we're going to put in the back gasket and have some room on the side, and then with this edge that's got the kind of roll in the middle, we're going to gently push and slowly go all the way around. So you want a little bit of room on the edge here, and then you just continue to do that. And at the corners, you're gonna go around here. You wanna go very slowly, because if you slip and it falls in the middle, you can actually cut the screen with this tool. So when you get to the corner, you kind of go like that, and then just push it in on both sides, and then keep going all the way around. And once you've done that, you got a brand new screen, and just cut the excess off with scissors or an X-Acto knife. And you got a brand new screen. Easy as that.